Colby here with Off Leash Canine Training here in Fredericksburg, and today I have with me Athena. Athena just got dropped off for our famous 2-week board and train. She is a 6-month-old Pitt-bull terrier. She's a lot of fun. She's very, very sweet. She likes to cuddle. She likes people a lot, but she does like to greet people with jumping on them, which is a big no-no. So she's got a couple things she's got to work on. Leash pulling for one. That was a big one. Like I said, the jumping on people, her greeting manners, and some house manners, and some command duration as well. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what Miss Athena already knows here, and see what she's got to work on, okay? Athena, come. Yeah, come. Good girl, good girl. Athena, sit. Sit, good girl. Sit, good girl. Athena, down. Athena, sit. Athena, sit. Down. Down. Okay, let's try, please. Athena, place. Place. Up. All right. Athena. Athena, sit. Athena, sit. Good girl. Heel. 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 Good. Good. Okay. Good girl. Well, little Miss Athena here has got a couple things she's got to work on. Keep watching to see her 2-week transformation.